Gates open, they're up and racing. Musashi draws for your lead, moving up. Tito Aru, Wondrous Wind, Temptress is viral. Concert King, the favorite, is racing in fifth at this moment, followed by Grey Magic, B-Boys Girl. Next in line, Pag-asa, Red Wine, and Star Quality is bringing up the rear. Passing the half now po, Tito Aru leading the field, Musashi in second, racing now in third, Temptress, Wondrous Wind, Concert King now starting to move now and keep on improving, catching the third spot. Riding at a 600, Tito Aru and Musashi are parting out for the lead. Then racing now in third is Concert King, and still moving up so as B-Boys Girl. And out of stretch they come, Tito Aru, Musashi, Concert King rushing a party outside. Now grabbing the lead with 75 meters, John Alvin Guse on Concert King. Musashi, then comes B-Boys Girl, Pag-asa, Tito Aru, Red Wine, Grey Magic, Temptress, Star Quality, Wondrous Wind.